Good morning, students. Welcome back to the social studies class. We were learning about the lesson 15 now, the western coastal states. The western coastal states include Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. We have already learned about Gujarat and Maharashtra now. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. It is named after Mahatma Gandhi. It has 33 districts and population is around 63 million. And about Maharashtra, Maharashtra is on the Konkan coast and its capital is Mumbai. Mumbai is a popular tourist destination and it has 36 districts and population is around 115 million. Now I want to explain about Goa. Goa is a small state situated on the western coast of India. It was liberated from the rule of the Portuguese in 1961. Goa is known as the smallest and the fourth smallest populated state of India. It is the smallest state. It is one of the most important tourist spots in the country because of its beauty and culture. It is known as the land of churches and beaches. That is known as the land of church and beach. Goa's capital is Panaji. Its capital is Panaji. It has only 2 districts, small state now, and it has only 2 districts and its population is about 2 million. Its capital is Panaji and it is a small state and it has only 2 districts and population is about 2 million. Its bordering states are Maharashtra and Karnataka. Marathi and Konkani are the main languages. 2 languages are there, Marathi and Konkani. Farming and fishing are the main occupation. Farmers grow rice, cashews, coconut, etc. Some important cities are Margao, Vasco da Gama and Mapusa. These are the important cities. One church, that is St. Saviour's Church, is the famous church of Goa. Goa's capital Panaji is also called Panjim. It is located on the banks of river Mandovi. The city has cobblestone streets and colorful villas. Cobblestone means it is a natural building material based on cobble-sized, that is rounded stone, and is used for pavement roads, streets and buildings. Panaji has also the Miramar beach, the Goa center, etc. This much about Goa. Now Karnataka. Karnataka is a state in southwest India with the Arabian Sea coastline. The capital Bengaluru is a high-tech hub known for its shopping. It is the largest state in South India and the 7th largest in India. Karnataka has 30 districts, 30 districts and population is around 65 million. Its bordering states are Goa, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The main languages are Kannada and Konkani. Fishing and farming are the main occupation. Farmers produce spices, coffee, tea, etc. Rivers like Kaveri, the Sharavati, the Tungabhadra, etc. flow in the state. Capital Bengaluru is a well-planned city with wide roads and beautiful parks. It is also known as the Garden City. It has become a popular tourist spot because of mild summers and pleasant winters. Climate is mild and pleasant. Some tourist places are Cabon Park, Vidhan Sauda, St. Mary's Basilica, Lal Bagh, etc. Many companies related to computer business are located in Bengaluru. So it is called as the Silicon Valley of India. It is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Silicon Valley. The silk sarees of Bengaluru are very famous. This much about Karnataka. Okay, its capital is Bengaluru and it has 30 districts and its population is around 65 million. Now Kerala. Kerala is the 21st largest Indian state by area. The word Kerala means the land of coconuts. It is also called God's own country. Kerala is another name of Kerala is God's own country. The pride of Kerala are gorgeous and exotic beaches, hill stations, enchanting waterfalls, beautiful lagoons, rivers, and amazing natural scenarios. These colors are made Kerala as a land of beauty and paradise on earth. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. The state spreads over an area of around 39,000 square kilometer and it has 14 districts and its population is around 35 million. 14 districts are there and population is around 35 million. Its bordering states are Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The main language is Malayalam. Kerala's main language is Malayalam and people speak Tamil and English also. Kerala has the highest literacy rate in India. The main occupation is farming and they produce spices, ragi, coconut, rubber, etc. Rivers like Pamba, the Kabani, the Chaliyar, etc. flow through this state. Some important cities are Kochi, Kozhikode, Thrissur, etc. The famous Kovalam beach is in Kerala. The capital Thiruvananthapuram, previously known as Trivandrum, has many art galleries. It has many galleries. It has the Kudira Malika Palace, the Napier Museum, etc. for the tourist. So this much about Kerala. Its capital is Trivandrum and it has 40 districts and the main language is Malayalam and its bordering states are Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Understood now? So this much only. This lesson is over. So you have to read this lesson 3 times. Okay, that will be the homework. Thank you.